give me a good deal so that I wanna replace all of it. I just got my truck safety and then I spent $9,000 2 months ago, so it cost me.
Wow!
What do you think? Alright guys, yan. Magandang deal binigay sa akin. He gave me a good deal. Okay. Ano mo yung mga tire niya rito? What tire are you going to put?
This one.
What is the name? Sortrax?
4-liner.
Huh?
Same brand. 4-liner and short track and same.
Wow!
That's the 10-inch wide.
Yeah. Those are brand new, not recap, okay? Make sure it's brand new, okay?
That's making from Philippines.
They made in Philippines?
Wow!
How's it going, Nak?
Woo!
You okay? Okay. Oops! Guys, morning. Magbabalik ang lakay. Puntahan namin na yung truck. Kasi kagabi, sa previous video vlog natin, no? Sarado yung ano, maluwa tayo. So ngayon, pupuntahan namin tapos bibili kami ng kanya. Sabihin ko rin sa kanila kung ano yung mga dapat kong ipagawa doon. Let's go guys! Bake! Put that thing back in there. Put it back please. Para makalis na tayo. Han? Ano nangyari?
Push it there. Pinupush mo yun na.
Oo. Si Bake yung ano ni Bake. What's got with Bake these days?
Bakit come now?
Bake, put it there in there. Kanina yan. Put your thing inside. Leave it. Dito mo nalalagay. Hurry up, Bake. Bake, can you please? Hurry up. Nagkukulit ka naman. Lagay mo na lang muna dito yan. Or in here. Para mamaya. O, sige. Just leave it there. Para maka ano na tayo. What time is it? Hurry up, ah. Pag sinasabing hurry up. Hurry up. Ayan kaya naman. Lokohan mo, Bake. Bilog na bilog ang ulo eh. Let's go guys. Tara. Para ma-check up na yung truck. Let's go, Han. Balik tayo sa Malwa tire.
Bakit?
Andyan na. Para let's bagets. Seat belt everybody. Ah? Ate Clark, seat belt. Ate Sinel. Bake. Okay. Yeah guys. Hintayin lang natin si Mami kasi may re-reply yan.
Tara.
Hindi, akala ko ba mag-reply ka muna. Okay lang. Message na ano. Sinabi ko kasi I'm on my way.
Okay.
Kausap ko yung ano eh, yung may-ari ng shop. Kasi parang ano guys eh, tawag nito. Parang yung, kasi tinawagan ko na to, parang ang tono niya, ang tono parang Bombay ang tonohan, no?
Tumawag sila.
Tinawagan ko kasi nung nakaraan pa, papabok ko sa yung truck ko ako. Sabi ko papalit ako ng gulong. Tapos kaninang umaga nga tinawagan ko rin. Sabi ko eh on the way ako dyan ng alas 11, sabi ko. Kasi kagigising ko lang yung kanina nga. Tapos pagkagising, nag-treadmill muna ako ng mga 45 minutes. Shower guys. Ayan. Puntan na natin yung truck natin. Alright. So anong plano mo pagkatapos nito? Punta tayo mamalingki ng ano para bukas. Pansit, luto ko lang pansit, Han? No? Magpapansit. Nga pala bukas guys ha. Ano pala yung bukas, Han? Labor Day? Thanksgiving.
I made a bug.
Did you now?
Yes.
Did you what now?
My little Thanksgiving bug.
Ooh.
Weird. I thought this was the place where I patrol.
Ooh. Misis, oh. kabisado ang Winnipeg. Hindi na niya yan nag-GPS ka pa bahan?
Hindi.
No? Hindi na masyado. Guys. Alright. Ito guys ha, dito sa amin, ito yung mga bahay dito sa amin. Kita nyo? Neighborhood ng aming sitio. Baga sa ano sitio, ano to North End. No, North End ba tayo han? Banda?
Oo.
Nasa North End tayo banda. Maliliit na bahay na ganyan, no? Start up lang. Baka sa
What is
kanila,
1,000 building plus 1,000?
makakuha pa kami ni Mrs. ng isang bahay kahit ganyan pagka mabayaran na namin yung bahay. Lapit-lapit na yun Magre-renew kami ng ano ni Mrs. sa mortgage namin next year November 2026.
Bayaran na pala ng insurance. Tumaas yung insurance ng bahay.
House insurance? Magkano insurance ngayon han?
Nagbigay na sila ng quote 2,046 samantalang last year 1,700 lang yun.
Ngayon 2046. Di ka ba maghanap ka ng ibang insurance?
Kaya
Hindi.
nga naghanap na dati last year.
Magtanong-tanong ka sa mga iba. Kasi minsan yung kapag bago ka sa insurance, bibigyan ka nila ng mga kung ano-anong discount, pakulo kung ganyan. Tanong ka sa mga ibang tropa. Sige, mga ganyang bagay, insurance ng mabahay namin, si Mrs. nang dumidiscard niyan Siya naghahanap Katulad din sa internet dito sa sa internet katulad ng show. O di kung matagal ka na sa show, medyo pataas ng pataas, tapos punta ka sa MTS, Bell MTS, may mga 1 year subscription, ganito lang ang babayaran mo. Ganyan, palipat-lipat lang kami kasi kapag mag-stick ka sa isang company, ang mahal no?
Matagal na tayo dyan sa Wawanisa na yun. Pamahal ng pamahal. Every year 300.
Ilang taon na tayo sa Wawanisa house insurance kasi yun
years
guys.
na ito.
5 years na kami sa Wawanisa, pataas ng pataas.
Maghanap ako.
Maghanap ka. Makabawas lang tayo ng 300, laking bagay yun, pang grocery. Yearly naman yun guys, hindi naman monthly. But anyway, yan. Dito na tayo sa Macphilip guys ha. Alright guys, we are here. Doon yata sa loob yung malwater Puntahan nga muna tayo doon han, para makita ko kung ano nandun yung malwater. Pakibukas ito han, kasi sumingising yung init
Sige, buksan mo.
Ano dito banda may sinid na niya sa akin yung TTS tire, Malwa tire. Ito Malwa tire. Ito. Puntahan ko na lang siya dyan muna.
Sige.
Okay, sige. Okay. Puntahan. Ito Malwa tire Mamit one.
Sa likod lang pala, doon sa harapan siguro.
Oo. Guys, dito na tayo sa Malwa tire. Hello. Ito. Looking for the Malwa tire? Malwa tire? I am the one in the front, Turk. I don't know. I got a video vlog. I am a vlogger. Is that okay?
You're a blogger.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm good. So you can take in there. I'm just gonna come and let's go. I will show you which one you need to. We need to fix. Punta na lang kayo doon. Dalhin natin yung ibang gamit ko pa. My friends, owner operator, they give your number. So they said a little the tire here is good and not that too expensive. You own the place? You're the owner?
No, I am my boss
Mechanic?
is in the shop. Yeah, I am okay.
You're mechanic. Because the last time I've been pulled over by police, they give me the paperwork that my truck need to be corrected. Here,
Your front tire is very bad.
here.
Yeah, already seen
Are you seeing it?
it. Yeah.
Yeah. This one is brand new. I just put it like a month ago. This is brand new, yeah, virgin. Okay. So I think everything is still good, right?
Yeah.
Only this. Yeah.
You now
And then the other one in there that the recap, the cup
your whole tire recap.
here. See?
Now
I
what
need to
you want
replace.
to do?
How much is the brand new the short truck?
We can install here 4-lander.
4-lander?
Yeah, 4-lander is a very good.
That's brand new.
Yeah, brand.
That's virgin, never used.
No, but it has, yes.
How much is it?
You can talk to my boss.
Okay. And how about those things? If I wanna replace everything, but there is still good, right?
No, it's not good. This one tire is not good. That one too.
So we need to replace this one, 1, 2. I guess this one too. So if so you're gonna buy this too?
No, recap tire, no.
You guys not buying recap?
No.
Why?
This is garbage tire.
Oh, so you don't buy recap? Then I am not going to replace them all. I have to finish all of them, or I have to use them. If you don't buy them, I was thinking you guys should buy them.
No.
Okay, so
Only virgin tire I buy.
ah,
Only virgin tires I buy.
oh,
No recap.
not recap.
Yeah.
Okay, so so the casing, you don't buy the casing, no?
Casing is going only on virgin tires.
Okay, but
Not
you
recap.
okay.
And one thing also in casing they should take only tire, virgin tire that maybe 3-year-old.
3-year-old.
Yeah, not more than 3-year-old. Yeah.
So you don't buy them, right?
No.
Okay, so just only two. Gagamitin ko pa to. I need to use them. If you don't buy them, I need to use them.
That thing is that you can change that 4-1.
Ah, sorry?
You have to change 4-1.
For
Yeah. These two and this two.
why?
This tire is good year.
Yeah, that's virgin. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
new.
But this is a new tire and this is a used tire, yeah.
Yeah, this is
Very
old
tire.
one. Yeah.
Old one. That mostly two difference between the thread. Yeah. So that way
Yeah, the different thread depth. Oh, yeah.
thread depth you know.
Yeah.
So that's why this tire also be damaged.
It gonna be get damaged.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because the
This one is a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's already used. And the thread
thread
depth.
depth difference is too much. See.
Yeah, I know. It's higher.
Yeah, it's higher. It's smaller one.
But if you don't buy them, then it costs me too much, you know.
No, I will provide your tire at a good deal.
Give me a good deal.
Yeah, come to me.
Okay, hold on. Before we do that, this one is brand new, okay? Don't replace this. Okay, so this one as well. Before we go in there, I want you to replace this.
Glad hands.
All of this, yeah, and this one, the thing, and then this one, I'm gonna take this out,
Okay.
or you can take it out, and then I will.
Bro, please, can you move the truck to in front
Bring
of
the truck in there?
Yeah.
Oh, you can.
No, you can.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so grease and lube,
Yeah.
and change oil,
Change
fuel for
engine
the-
oil. Yeah.
No, engine oil, yeah.
Battery also?
No, not battery. Battery is still good.
Okay, that is still good. Yeah.
Okay, I will bring my truck in there.
Yeah.
Okay,
Bring
let's
it.
go.
Yeah.
Okay. Ayun guys, muna tayo dun. Sabihan natin lahat sila na ano, para makausap ko yung boss nila. Marumi. Siyempre, yan oh, kita mo dyan sa lupa niya. Bigyan niya ako ng good deal para ano, para lahat ipapapalitan ko na 7 kasi siyempre pwede pa naman kasi yun kung tutusin, o kaya iuwi ko kaya yun, si benta ko na lang yun sa to, kasi pwede yun pang ano nila, pwede yun pang trailer nila eh. Okay. Yaman natin mag-build ng air. Masagin natin yung bulbo nila dun. Saan ba yun? Papasok ko na sa loob. Sige, pasok na. Okay. Patras daw sabi. Okay. Sarado natin. Tapos kunin ko yung papel dito. Doon sa inspection ng police. Hi!
Hey man, how are you?
You're the boss?
Oh,
Hi.
everybody's boss here.
Everybody's boss. I got a vlog, okay? Is that okay with the video vlog? I'm a YouTuber. Okay.
Are you to replace that one, bro?
Yes, yes. I wanna replace the whole thing, but this one I have to take this one, okay? Because this is new. I use because I never use it anymore. So replace the whole thing.
Only the glide hand.
No, all of it. This one, because including with the electrical cord, right?
Yeah, you need to replace the electrical cord too.
Yeah, it's the whole thing.
Okay.
Yeah, but this one is this one. This one is different. Just give me this one after, okay?
Okay, you need to keep.
Yeah, I need to keep the. Look, it's right there. The electrical. See that one, and then the electrical there. Okay. Yeah, the whole thing. Same. If you replace, I want same like this. Okay. Like that. Yeah. You can take that out.
Okay.
लंबी चाहिए ना
You got it?
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Or you put in after this one.
Yeah,
Then
because
working.
it's not working. I have to buy the cord like that.
That's right. Okay.
Yeah, I have a.
Oh, you need to complete that one.
Yeah, I have to complete this task with my truck because I've been pulled over in the police. Those things. But this is not all. This is not all the code from me. This is the other is from the trailer. So they asked me to replace my tire. This one, yeah.
No, this one brand new.
Huh?
This one brand new.
No, that's not a brand new tire. Look at that tire. What I want you to do with my tire is lube, grease, and change oil, change filter, fuel filter, the one in the front, everything, and then that thing, and then the tire. Give me a good deal so that I wanna replace all of it. But if you don't, it's too expensive. I just got my truck safety, and then I spent $9,000 2 months ago. So it cost me. What do you think? Alright guys, yan. Magandang deal binigay sa akin. He gave me a good deal. Okay. Tignan mo yung mga tire niya rito. What tire are you going to put?
This one.
What is the name? Sortrax?
4-liner.
Huh?
Same brand. 4-liner and short track and same. That's the 10-inch wide.
Yeah. Those are brand new, not recap, okay? Make sure it's brand new, okay?
Just making from Philippines.
They made in Philippines? Yeah. At least I know next time. Guys, ang dami nilang tire dito. Alright. Okay then. So we will settle.
When you need your truck?
So today, Sunday, are you starting working today? Okay. When do you gonna finish?
Later on evening.
You got my number? He got my number?
Yeah, I have a number.
Okay, so you got it. Text me if you
everything is done. I call you.
Okay.
One thing more. You want to change the all electrical cord and the glide hand, and you want to grease in your truck. That and you want to change the oil too also. The service?
Change oil. Okay, listen. So what I want done with my truck is change oil, lube and grease.
All.
Yeah. Fuel filter. Change fuel filter. Right. When you change oil, same fuel filter. Yeah. Yeah. Grease and lube, tire, and then the glad hands.
Yeah.
The whole thing. That's it.
Okay.
And that one, I'm asking my friend about how much they charge per
For the
service. For the
Oh,
IT.
so they were coming here.
Yeah, they come here.
Okay, it's a separate or
Oh.
you're gonna put in the thing?
To the separate.
Okay.
That's only I have included with the tire is the work in the replace the glide hand.
So you mean if you cannot do the change oil and grease, let me know because I can just ask my company to do it.
Yeah, that's some to you, my friend.
Okay, so
Done with the glide hand and tire.
Okay,
You
glide
then you oil change and grease and go to your company.
oh, okay, so that you're not gonna call someone. It's expensive, I guess. Okay, so tire and glove hands. Okay,
I do.
and then I will keep those tire because you know I can probably sell it for somebody else for the trailer. All right, my friend,
Thank you, my bro.
you call me, okay?
Yeah, I have your number here.
Okay, guys, we are in Malwa Tire. So if you wanna come here, check this out, and you will see how they work. Okay. All right, my friend. Let me know. It's my wife and my kids. Where are they now? All right. Okay. Thank you. You're gonna
Yes,
start
sir.
working with my number.
I have a text you used before. This one your number.
Oh yeah, that's my number. Okay. All right.
When
Alright.
it's done, I call you.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you, my friend.
All right.
Have a
Okay.
great day.
Okay. Don't forget to sign that paperwork that I give you.
Yeah, there.
Okay.
When it's done, I need to sign it. I'll fill it out.
Thank you. Okay, guys, tara. Sila nang bahala sa truck ko. Han! 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 Hindi ako marinig ni Mrs. Han? Kunin pa natin yung ibang gamit ko doon. Yung kapihan at saka ano, hindi pa natin. Dali mo yung truck doon. Pa-picture kami ni Clark doon. Clark naman ngayon ang iano ko. Sige guys, kunin ko pa yung ibang gamit ko doon. Hindi pala sila bumibili ng pagkakar. Tuan! Ito lang pala yun eh. Okay.
Bakit ka magpa-picture?
Picture lang kami. Yan lang. Galing kami dyan sa Young's Market. Bumili kami ng litson at saka
It's so
anin natin bukas luluto si Mrs. ng pansit para dun sa ano eh. Sa ano ba ang bukas eh?
Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving bukas. Bigyan mo sila.
Yeah, sanitize na lang kayo.
Mag-stocks muna tayo ng litson.
Direct.
Sarap ng litson nila
Sige,
dyan siguro.
kumain na kayo.
Hugas ng kamay. Ano ng kamay? Mag-sanitize. Ha? Yeah. Give it to. Oh. Nel, try this. Iba rin si Bak. Ayan guys ha. Tara kain tayo. Litson no. 2 pounds yung binili namin. Daming litson to.
Somebody help me.
Kain guys. Magkano to han?
Buckle is over here.
27?
Right here.
1 kilo.
1 kilo?
Get
Mm.
out.
Sir. Grab here. Nel.
Mamaya mo na siya seatbelt na.
Wow.
Ganito naman talaga kami rito. Pagka ano ni Mrs. Manok lang din kami.
I'm so happy we have this food.
Yeah. Of course. Han? Ayun pa muna.
Wala tayo, ham.
Oh. Be careful. Guys, kain tayo. Nag-sanitizer naman siguro kayo, di ba?
Yeah.
You use sanitizer?
Wait, I want to taste the crunchy one.
Ha?
Tayo maghanap.
Saan ka? Litson. Papakta litson. Pag kami ni Mrs. Isang manok, okay na yan. Mahina kumain yan si Clark eh. Isang
Try
kilong
pa ni
litson.
Fernak, baka may wipes dito.
Go. Isang kilong litson. Ay.
Para mamaya. Para mamaya.
Thanks, Mom and Papa.
Clark, it nak.
Cheers.
Wala na ba talaga dati yan dyan, Han?
Ha?
Yan, yung space na yan.
Parking lot yan.
Ah, is parking lang talaga yan. The skin.
This is like so good. I would eat this like 1,000 billion times.
You cannot. You gonna get, high blood kapag puro litson. I wanna eat this 1,000 times. 1,000 billion times sabi. Patayin mo, Han. Hindi yung ano. Guys, kain tayo. Mamaya, uwi na kami. Picnic lang kami muna dito sa sakyan.
Ew.
Go! Dad! Naubusan ka, pabagal-bagal ka.
Sauce.
Alright guys ha, dito na kami sa bahay ni Mrs.
Tapos,
Mag-enjoy naman kami ni Mrs. Gusto mo ilaki sana? Enjoy naman kami ni Mrs. dito guys. Kasi siyempre, almost 3 weeks ako wala, no? True mo. 3 weeks kami, 3 weeks ako wala. Meron kaming kunting ano. Pakita ko na nga sa inyo. Oh, whiskey. Noon pa itong ano, kailan pa yan, Al? Yung andun pa yan sa ano guys ha. Doon pa sa St. Laurent yan. Nung pumunta sila si Mrs. kinuha niya yan. Oh.
ano yun?
Ha?
Kailan ba yun? Yung nag-inuman tayo doon.
Kailan natin Susan? Yung dinaanan natin sila. Patagal na, 2 months na. 3 months yata yun. Ayan. Habang nanonood kami ni Mrs. ng Netflix, andito naman kami. Ayan. Chat-chat lang. Kanina nakapaglakad-lakad na ako eh. Treadmill. Tapos kumain tayo ng binili namin kaganinang litson. Oh, yun.
Cheat day.
Cheat day. Cheat day naman ngayon. Tapos pag ano, balik ulit tayo sa ano. Tama yung bang sabi nga nila, sabi ng kakilala natin, do not deprive yourself. Kailangan mo pa rin naman bigyan yung sarili mo ng kasiyahan. Nag-exercise tayo, kumakain tayo ng healthy, pero yung ganitong bagay, huwag naman natin iwala sa sarili natin. Yan, no?
You know what that is?
Tapos para lalong magtibay yung samahan yung mag-asawa. Alangan naman nanonood kami ni Mrs. at kitinginan lang. Diba guys? Ayan. Mag-enjoy lang kami. Wala tayong pulutanan. Meron kami doon, ano eh.
Pakit naman yung sit. Nilaga?
Yung sabaw, oo. Pero ayaw ni Mrs. yun. Kasi kagabi pa yun eh. Sa previous video vlog natin, di ba? Grapes. Enjoy lang. Ewan ko kung pupunta ito yung anak ko. Si Pepe, tricks mo? Ang sabi? Punta
Hindi
daw?
pa nag-reply.
Ayan guys. Sige, papatuloy mo. Nunod kami ng shooter. Diyan mo. Nunod tayo ng shooter.
Who's been staying with you? Probably Swagger?
Ayan guys, tapos na isang movie namin ni Mrs. Maganda-ganda rin ang tama namin. Tutuloy na namin ang video vlog dito kasi maya-maya pahinga na tayo. Guys, thank you for watching. Love you all. Bye. Enjoy din pag may time. Kasama nyo ang asawa nyo. Enjoy kayo lagi ha. Okay. Bye-bye. Sunod na video vlog natin. Punta tayo sa St. Laurent. Anong gagawin natin?
Winterize.
Magwi-winterize kami sa RB. Winterize na natin yung RB. Guys, bye-bye. Love you. Peace out.
Lakai Tracker.